Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw a Squishmallow Frankenstein. I hope you can join in. Let's start with the Squishmallow shape. Bring it down and around and back up, like so. Now once you finish that, we're going to draw the hair on, and it's a zigzag line. You can do as many zigzags as you like through here. Try and keep them all the same size. There's one. Now let's put the eye on. Bring an eye circle about so big here, colour that in. And over here is another circle. And then we have a big smile. He's a happy Frankenstein. Now out from here I'm going to draw an ellipse, which is basically a tall oval, and I'm going to do the same over this side. Try and keep them the same size. Now it's a matter of just bringing them onto here like this, almost like Shrek's ears. These are like little bolts that come out of the ears, but because he's a pillow, they're not quite looking like bolts, are they? And then if you want to, you can draw another line like so. Don't forget the scar. One line, 1, 2, 3. You can have more stitches if you want. You could even put some down here. It's really your choice.